हांव सिरिल फर्नांडीस ह्युमन रायट्स एक्टिविस्ट आनी आयज हांव वायोलेटा कॉम्प्लेक्सान आयज तुमच्या मुखार दिश्टी पडटा आनी तुमी म्हजे फाटल्यान पयले आसतले 100 अफेक्टेड रेजिडेंट्स पळय आहा वायोलेटा प्रभू वायोलेटा कॉम्प्लेक्साचे ते म्हजे फाटल्यान आयज जमा जाल्ले आहा कित्याक तांकां उदकाचो एक इश्यू जाला आतां नवो. पयले ते डायरेचेर सफर जाले, मागीर ते टायफॉयडाचेर सफर जाले. आयज तांकां फ्रेश वॉटर पिवपाचो इश्यू जाल्लो आहा कित्याक बिल्डरान तांकां नोटीस दिल्या की तो तांकां रातचे उदक सप्लाय करपाक शकना म्हूण. आतां तुमकां खबर आसतली की इतिहास ह्या इश्यूआचो की कॉन्टॅमिनेशन ऑफ उदक जालें आउट ऑफ द सिवेज लिकेज आनीक भुरगीं बायलो उणे 200 लोक डायरेचेर अफेक्टेड जाले. 4 ते 5 केसीस टायफॉयडाचे मेवल्यो आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो सरकारी स्टडीज पळय केल्या, ते टेस्ट घेतल्या, तातूंतल्यान मेवल्या. सो आनी त्या टेस्टांतले रिपोर्ट पॉझिटीव येयला. सो पॉझिटीव येयले त्या निमतान गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान ह्या बिल्डराक हो प्रोजेक्ट प्रमोटराक सांगलें की ताणें इमिजिएटली सुवेज टँक सील करपाची आनी तांकां डायरेक्टली फ्रेश वॉटर उदक दिवपाचें. आतां हो प्रमोटर पळय हा प्रभू बिल्डर पळय हा ताणें काल ह्या रेजिडेंटाक नोटीस दिल्या की तो आपूण फकत 3 ते 6 दिसाचें उदक सप्लाय करूंक शकता, पिवपाचें ते पिवपाचें उगडात धरा, आनी रातचे 6 ते सकाळीचे 9 मेरेन आपूण उदक दिवपाक शकना. हो टायमींग ताणें घालून दिला आनी नोटीस मारल्या हांगा. आनी तशें ताणें पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक नोटीस दिल्या. हे आतां दिस इज टोटली अनकॉल्ड फॉर एक्शन बाय द बिल्डर. It is the builder's responsibility to supply 24 hours fresh drinking water, clean fresh drinking water to the resident. This is his responsibility. Now this responsibility is put upon him by the Goa State Pollution Control Board. He is shirking away from his responsibility. Now when he shirks away from his responsibility, it is a criminal offense on his part, and is putting the life of this innocent residents of this complex into under threat. He should be actually, after the FIR registered by him, he should have been arrested by the police for causing the threat to life. This is under Article 21 of our Constitution. This is direct violation of our right to life. So under these circumstances, the Pollution Control Board should have also got involved and ensured now 24-hour drinking water. These people should not have been suffering. These are innocent taxpayers of this state and of this country. If you observe closely, today as a state, Goa has failed them. These people have come with high hopes that they will have good living conditions in Goa. But today we have failed them. We have not been able to provide good, clean drinking water, due to which innocent children had to lie in hospital. Elderly women and men had to lie in hospital. This is not called good governance. Today our government has failed them. All the three wings of the government, the legislature has failed them, the executive has failed them, and the judiciary will also fail them if it does not intervene here at this point. I appeal to the judiciary of Goa, to the Bombay High Court, to so moto take cognizance of this issue. This is a human rights tragedy that has struck Goa, and this is why it is a tragedy, because there has never been such a scale of victims observed that have been under threat because of the lethargy of the government. If you observe closely, all the instruments of the government, all the agencies of the government have failed these innocent people. You take the Goa State Pollution Control Board. The Pollution Control Board was aware of this contamination of water from last 2 years, but they have sat over it. Then the Directorate of Health Services, which has now found positive test reports, should have intervened earlier also when this was brought to their notice. And even now they should be actually put up a tent here, and their services should have been available to the locals 24/7. They have failed them. The WRD, which should have been keeping constant watch on the STP plant have also failed them. The RERA, which should have ensured that the conveyance of this area should have got transferred to the residents, has failed them. The public health center has also failed them. VP Chikali, which has been, to which the residents of Chikali had raised this issue, have failed them. The Sarpanch and the Panchayat members came here after 10 days of this issue coming out into the press. This shows how lethargic the VP of Chikali has been. The ward member was not to be seen here for the last 10 days. The MLA is not to be seen here. The local MP is also from this constituency. Though he is South Goa MP, he belongs to this constituency. He was also not seen there. So all these people's representatives have not even come to inquire about them. And I have come to know that someone on behalf of the MLA is asking us, have you gone to the sir? Now you tell me, should a patient be going to somebody to give his complaint, or we should be going to the patient to inquire about his health? I don't understand this logic and how we are looking at this whole issue. So this is just a trailer. What I want to highlight today to the Goa government is that the Goa government has failed. Whenever they say that they are doing good governance, they have failed to give good governance to this resident. This is a trailer, this is an example. And all the people who intend to settle in Goa, who want to invest in Goa, or who want to make Goa into a second home, please remember, this is a trailer of what is going to happen in the future. All the big complexes that are coming, nobody is checking if what is the size of the STPs, what is the size of the power supply, what is the quantity of water, drinking water that they will get in these complexes. They go by trust, they go by faith, and this is the result that today this over 1,000 residents don't have drinking water. And I appeal to the Goa government, you cannot sleep over, show a Nelson eye to it and blame the builder. If the builder has failed, put him behind the bars. But that will not solve the problem. Come here, listen to the people. The chief minister should have been here. The health minister should have been here, not us, the residents of Chikali. We come on human rights basis here. On humanity basis, we can come and lend support. But provisions of drinking water, provision of food, provision of other facilities is the responsibility of the Goa state government. And the Goa state government should not be failing them. I heard the collector other day saying, sitting in a AC chamber, that the people should drink hot water. They should boil the water. I want to ask the collector, who is going to supply them gas, which is in shortage in the market? Who is going to give them the gas cylinders? Is the collector ensuring gas cylinder for them? The boiling of water requires gas, and today in the market there is no gas cylinders. So are you playing with the life of these citizens or these residents? What is there that is stopping you from coming to their aid? Today, I humbly appeal to the government of Goa, to the Chief Minister of Goa, to the Governor of Goa, to the Chief Secretary of Goa and the High Court of Goa. Please listen to their woes. This is a matter of life and death. This is a violation of Article 21 of our Constitution. Please come here, understand their condition, see their position and extend whatever help that is required. I will not fail in saying that if you fail, you please let us know. The Goans will rise and can also help them. Not that we cannot help them, but first it is the duty of the state government. If you can't, please let us know. I will appeal to all the Goans to take these people and take care of them in each of their household. See what has happened, the whole complex is today deserted. All the Goans who have bought flats here, they have gone to their homes, they have gone to their relatives. Where will these poor people go, who are all outside residents, who are all outsiders, not from Goa? Where will they go? Why should they be left high and dry? I can take some in my household. There will be many Chiklekas who will be also willing to take them. But we cannot take 500, 600 families. This is where the Goa government has to intervene and come and resolve this issue before things go out of hand. Don't wait for people to lose their life as it happened in Arpora Beach Club. Save their life before it is too late. This is my humble appeal to the government of Goa. Thank you.